Hey guys, it's Tattoo, and so we're gonna do today is we're gonna do something quick, something easy. A lot of us have an air fryer. I was against air fryers for a long time just because I thought it was whack, but we got one and now I use it every day. So of course everyone has to insert, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some avocado fries, not typical like battered fries, but my take on it. So first we get avocado. People always ask, how do you tell if it's a good avocado? I like to squeeze it just a little bit, and if it's yielding, like, then it's good to go. If it's too soft, it's overdone. If it's too hard, it's not ready, right? So first we get it, right? And look, see, this one's kind of really like going, see, that's a little black. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the little edge off, go this way, and then peel it. You see how I'm peeling it? I know what you're thinking. Ah, that's not no orange. Nah, but it's okay. Then we peel it. Then we cut the however thick slices we want to go. Right? No. So then we get our bacon. Okay. Get our bacon slice. You can do however you want to do it. This is the one right here. Okay, so you get your bacon slice. Oh, hold on, I forgot. See, and we a lot of us don't remember, right? We're like, oh, but there's this thing called mise en place where you have all your stuff together, and obviously I don't have my mise en place together. So you get a jalapeno, and then we're gonna cut it super thin. You don't have to do this if you don't like jalapenos. I do it just because I like a little bit of the kick. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Move this guy out of the way. Like this. We're gonna add one avocado right here. Right? Our handy dandy tahini. Right? Put it on our avocado. Like that. Then we're gonna add our one sliver of jalapeno. Así. And then we're just gonna wrap this bad boy. And when you try to wrap it, wrap the whole thing. Like this. That's one. I know, it doesn't look so hot, but I promise it's gonna be delicious. Then we get the next guy, same thing. Avocado slice. Little tahini. You don't got to put tahini either. If you want to just season it with salt, I just like something contrasting flavor. Same thing, you just wrap it like this. We're not even trying to be fancy. You know, and you wrap the whole thing like that. That's one. That's another one. How many? I have 4 slices. You see? And this is something that you can make ahead of time and freeze it. It'll be good. Right? You can always add stuff to this. You want to add like shrimp to this. You want to add cream cheese to this. You can. You know, but this is just something fast for me to make. You know, and you can wrap these and put them all in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. You'll be good. Back down. Same thing. One last big boy. Bam. Tahini. You see, look, it's already going on that side, but it's okay because the bacon is gonna make it better. And then we wrap it. Nothing to see. Just make sure you wrap it tight. And that's it. Then we're gonna put it on our little dude. Seal side down, so whatever the bacon was at, that's gonna be the bottom part, so it closes. Okay. And then we're gonna go get this and go put it in our oven and see how it comes out at the end. Okay, so we put them in our air fryer. And now we're gonna come over here, put it in there. And then we're gonna put it for 400 minutes for 400 degrees for 9 minutes. Uh-oh. It's not the fish. Alright, whatever. So, let's see how it comes out. Alright, so let's check it out. Okay. So you can see they're kind of going We're gonna take them out and let's flip them over to the other side to get them cooked all the way through. Okay. Put it back in there. And let's see where we go. All right, it's ready. Let's see what we got over here. Okay. You can always go lighter or longer. I prefer to go a little bit long. I mean, this is my perfection right here. That's what I like. Yeah. So now you have these beautiful avocado fries. Oh, my little ranch dressing. You know, look at that. Perfect. You know, so depending on what you like, what you want to do, like I said, this is a cool thing for barbecues. If you want to do something with your family, but yeah, avocado fries.